Hello everyone, I'm CEO and founder of CloE, and today I want to show you our digital advisor that can bring the super intelligence about the industrial equipment performance. And basically what we did, we spent last 6 months by training the AI to read and analyze machine data, and it's right now connected to one of the sites with like around 10 machines. Let me show you how it looks like. I will ask a couple of questions to proceed on to study machine performance. You can access this web page yourself. You need to input your name and email so we can contact you afterwards. We'll promise not to spam you. What questions are you able to answer? So you can see that we can do kind of trends analysis, meta-analysis to compare different machines, how is their performance, historical performance data, and current machine statuses. The most important part that we can do this in any language. Can you provide a performance of all machines for September 10? So you can see that how quickly it pulls the data about the machine's performance and the setup KPIs that we have here and the downtimes and emergency. And it also provides observation, right? So the highest availability, the lowest availability, and with no available data minute, the machines, only an emergency data minute. This was like the maintenance. Can you provide the top 3 machines with downtime times for September 9 in French? So you can see, right, the 3 machines, their percentage of the downtime, and it will also provide the details on the key machine metrics and performance. And you can set up this and change if you want. And those who have ever used the Industry 4.0 solution can imagine and can share their feelings how much time it takes to basically get access to the data, analyze it, and define the bottlenecks. So this is just the beginning. In the next videos, we will provide more insights and then some predictions and additional analytics. It was just a teaser. Thank you so much for your attention.